April is here, bringing erratic weather and, for us, a new beginning. Everyone is clearly tired from moving. That's right, we finally moved into the house, full time. My family is getting used to the new surroundings. Are we going to mountain? Are you gonna eat obento? Yeah? Do you wanna go? Yeah? My wife and daughter didn't normally spend much time at the house because it hindered my renovation progress. And, well, it was dangerous for my daughter. Which way?
That way.
Oh, that way, okay, that's right. But now, we are all here full time and enjoying the new adventure, like having lunch at the top of the ridge behind our house. It was at that moment I realized I was lost. Oh, this way. April marks the start of new jobs for many people in Japan, the beginning of the new school year for students, and the famous cherry blossom season. And for me, well, the continuation of renovations.
Sit down there.
Okay, I'm gonna sit down there then. And what do we got here? And that is your obento. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Straight to the rice. Now that we live here full time, we are starting to see areas where improvements need to be made to the renovations I've already completed. It's funny how quickly shelf space gets taken up when you finally move everything in. We are also learning the traditions of the town. One tradition involves bringing our area's banner to the top of the ridge. We still don't know exactly why though, but when in Rome. Oh, don't break it. My daughter calls the banner Mulan in reference to the Disney movie. I tend to think it's more like Roman centurions rushing into battle. Once we've finished the task of bringing the banner up the mountain, we pass the banner on to the neighbor, who will essentially do the same. April also marks the arrival of the stink bug, one of my fiercest enemies. I was using the vacuum to sweep them up until my wife got angry, because then the vacuum smells like stink bug every time we use it. Ugh, but look how many there are. I usually douse them in water because it's not enough to let them go. They actually will return to my house and somehow make their way back into the house, literally to stink up the place. They must die. We decided to take a break from unpacking and visit the town of Fukuchiyama. The town was holding a spring festival, and it was a nice weekend distraction. Even though I love a good Japanese spring festival, nothing beats relaxing by the coast, watching the sunset. Don't forget the snacks. My wife saw a neighbor do this trick. He used a piece of tape to pick up the stink bug and therefore not letting the insect stink up anything. I've gone through 2 rolls of tape already. A while back, I broke the window in my kitchen. The window was not aligned with the rail, which caused it to come off the rail and crash onto the ground. Ever since then, I have had this horrible looking paper patch taped to the window. You may have seen it before. It's terrible looking. It's finally time to fix it after having it like this for a very long time. I have various large pieces of spare glass laying around. I'll cut this piece into the shape needed to fit the kitchen window. I'm trying to use the upper portion of the glass, of course, the area where it's not frosted. I ordered a glass cutting tool online. This is the first time actually using a tool like this. I hope it works out. God. Oh my god, indeed. I'm not sure if I lifted the glass wrong, or it's just really fragile. After all, the frosted area on the glass is actually from sandblasting, which can potentially thin out the glass and weaken it. I claim not my fault. Needless to say, it's a useless piece of glass now. Not that it wasn't useless before. It was frosted. Fast forward to another piece of glass, This piece of glass felt much stronger and more stable and didn't have any frosting on it. I was saving this glass for my office, but at least my office doesn't have broken glass. I'll have to sacrifice clear glass in my office for now. Sadness. Cutting the glass was a scary process, but it came out surprisingly perfect. Everything is assembled. I cleaned the window rail and fixed the alignment on the window. And now it opens and closes beautifully. The difference between the glass on the left and the right is amazing. One day I'll get around to changing the other side when I get more clear glass. Although clear glass in my house is a rarity. It's been great weather this April. Springtime brings nice cool weather, and although we can't swim in the cold water yet, it's still enjoyable to have a picnic seaside. I hope you enjoy this new format. My wife is also starting her own YouTube channel about life in the coastal countryside of Japan. You can check out her channel and her first few episodes at Kiki and Countryside. And I'll also leave a link in the description below. It's a nice glimpse of life in Ine from her perspective. Check it out, and thanks again for your support. I hope you enjoyed a small slice of life here in Ine, Japan. Bye for now, and see you next time.